Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can build a CRM in Airtable. It's very simple. All you have to do is to go to your workspace, and here you have to go to templates. In templates you have to search for CRM, and there get a lot of CRM templates like sales CRM, personal CRM, deal flow CRM, but for this tutorial we're going to use personal CRM. So click it and then press try this template and then press create. Alright guys, as you can see, the CRM has now been created. Just cross it and there you go. The CRM has now been created. Here you can manage all of your business. You can manage by tag, by city, alphabetical, service professionals. You can create a grid, calendar, whatever. But here you can manage your contacts by tags. You can manage your leads. You can like this is a networking tag. Here all of your networking people are added, and this is an employer tag, this is a hobby tag, and service, college, friends. Here you can add your friends and family. So this is how you build a CRM in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.